Yeah, just fixed the gas pedal. I took it off and I bent it over about 2 inches. Yeah, it's a lot better now. And now I gotta move the brake pedal over. I might move it a little more because I gotta move the brake pedal over. Right now you gotta use your left foot to step on the brake. You know, I gotta fix that. So I'm gonna work on that next. It's coming out pretty good. I also took the headliner off, and it was actually, it was like plywood, you know, like 1/2 inch thick, and then they had the felt over it. I took it off and now I got a lot more headroom now. Yeah, it's amazing, you know, little things. Working on the flamethrower for the 1928 Roadster. It's gonna be really cool. I just welded these clamps on here, you know, they're gonna hold it. And then I'm putting the spark plugs in and the nozzles for the gas. That's what I'm doing now. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna braze in the gas port nozzle, so it'll be really nice. Because these are brass fittings. Man, this for the spark plug. Perfect. That looks good. Man, great. Yeah, just brazed these nuts in here. And the spark plug's gonna go right in here. Man, perfect. Yeah, it's gonna ignite the gas. That's great. All right, now to the paint shop. Gotta paint them. It's heat paint. All right, let's let it dry. Yeah, looking good, man. Getting ready. That's great. That's good. Yeah, I gotta fix that brake pedal. Man, custom. Came out pretty good, actually. Yeah. I took the brake pedal off and I heated it up red hot and I bent it over. It used to be straight up. And it looks like it's gonna work now. But I'm gonna drill a hole on the end and put a rubber piece, a little pad, and Yeah, I think it's gonna work really good. I got the brake pedal all fixed up. I got the gas pedal moved over. I got the flamethrower going pretty soon. It's all coming together, man. I can't wait. Now I'm gonna paint this, you know, so it looks real nice. Well, next thing I got to do, I got to make the exhaust longer because it stops under the car and the fumes come in. So I think 2 feet would do it. Yeah, 2 feet on each side. Yeah, check out what I did. I took this air cleaner, used to be on the 28, and then I put a skull on it. So I had this, you know, and there used to be a scoop on here, but it didn't look that good. It was real low and everything. It needed like a spacer or something to raise it up. But I figured, man, I got this thing, so I put this on it, and it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like it, man. Looks great. Yeah, this thing's coming along. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, I got the pipe. The auto parts store. Yeah, there's one back there. Well, I got the brake pedal done. It's all painted. Came out pretty good. Soon I'll have the flamethrower going. So keep watching the videos. A lot of cool stuff coming up. Man, it's great. Don't want to do this at home. There's a lot of cops. You don't want to get pulled over. You don't want to get a ticket. Don't be doing this.